This is exercise 11.3, creating and configuring a Superscope. We're currently working within Lab 11, which is implementing an Advanced Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP, solution. This is found in the Configuring Advanced Windows Server 2012 Services R2, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course Series in preparation for exam 70-412. So we're going to go back to our RWDC01 and we're going to use two normal DHCP scopes to create a Superscope. The mindset behind this is that as an administrator, an IPv4 DHCP scope that is close to running out of addresses, we are able to find out how to add more addresses to the pool that can be assigned to hosts on the subnet. So let's take a look. Alright, so we are on RWDC01. And we're in the DHCP dialog box, or console rather. So we're going to right click IPv4, and we're going to do new scope, and then next, and then we're going to type in scope 1, and then next, and in the IP address range we're going to type in 172.24.20.50 tab 172.24.20.240, and then this should be 255. Next. On the add exclusions, we're going to click on next. On the least duration page, we're going to change this to 3 days. And then next. On the configuration DHCP option, we're going to click on next. On the router or default gateway page, we want to type in 172.24.20.20. And then click on add, and then next. On the domain name and DNS servers page, the parent domain should already be set to contoso.com, which it is. We're going to remove the current address and then add 192.168.1.50. Add. Wait for the DNS validation, then we'll click on next. On the WINS server page, we're going to click on next. On the Activate Scope page, we'll click on Next. When the wizard is complete, we're going to click on Finish. We're going to again click on IPv4 and choose New Scope. Select Next. In the name text box, we're going to call it Scope 2. There's a no-brainer. And then Next. In the IP address range, we're going to type in 172.24.21.50 tab. Ending address is going to be 172.24.21.240. For the subnet mask, we're going to again change this one to 255. And then next, under Add Exclusions, click on Next. Change the least duration to 3 days. Click on Next. Under the Configure DHCP options, we're going to again click on Next. Take the defaults. On the router default page, we're going to type in the address 172.24.21.20. Select Add. Then click on Next. On the domain name and DNS server pages, the parent domain should already be set to contoso.com, which it is. We're going to remove the current address and type in 192.168.1.50. Click on Add, wait for DNS validation, then click on Next. On the WINS server page, we're going to simply click on Next, accept the defaults. On the Activate Scope page, again, take the default, select Next. When the wizard is complete, we're going to click on Finish. Now we're going to right-click IPv4, and we're going to do New Superscope. Select Next. In the new Superscope wizard, we're going to type in Super 1. Click on Next. On the Select Scopes page, we're going to press and hold the Control key, and then click Scope 1 and Scope 2. And then select Next, and then select Finish. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next exercise, we're going to get into creating and configuring a multicast scope.